Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, sky blue color, purple color, light green color, violet color, red color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A for arrow. B for butterfly. C for chocolate. D for dolphin. E for ear. F for fox. Number 1 O. Number 2 TWO 2. Number 3 THREE 3. Number 4 FOUR 4. Number 5 FIVE 5. Number 6 SIX 6. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kids. L for lotus. Number 7 SEVEN 7. Number 8 EIGHT 8. Number 9 NINE 9. Number 10 TEN 10. Number 11 ELEVEN 11. Number 12 TWELVE 12. A B C D E F G H I J K L 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.